Welcome. This is Form 3 Mathematics and the topic today is binomial expansion. The question reads expand 2 plus x power 5 up to the term in x cubed. Hence approximate the value of 2.03 raised to power 5. So here we are going to first of all begin by looking at the coefficients when the power is 5. So we have the binomial coefficients as 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So, we are going to have 2 plus x raised to power 5 written as, so first of all when we expand this, we have the first coefficient as 1, then we write 2x, so we have 2x in that order. So 2 begins with the highest power, which is 5, and for x, the second term begins with the lowest power, which is 0, and then we move to the next term, 5 into 2x again, but here the power reduces for 2 so that we have 4, and for x it increases. Next we move to 10, the next coefficient, that one right there. So we have again 2x. So for 2 it reduces to 3, and for x it increases to 2. And finally we'll have 10, 2x, and for 2 it's going to reduce to 2, and for x it's going to increase to 3. So at this particular point we have expanded to the term in x power 3. Next we are going to have, so here for the first term simplified we have 32 plus second term we have 2 power 4 is 16 by 5, that is 80x, and then here 2 power 3 is 8 by 10, again we have 80, so we have plus 80, but now x squared, and finally we have plus 2 power 2, that is 4 by 10, 40 x cubed, and thus we have expanded as instructed to the term in x power 3. From there we want to use our expansion to approximate the value 2.03 raised to power 5. So if you look at 2.03 and 2 plus x, both are raised to power 5, so we'll use that to get the value of x first. So we have 2 plus x raised to 5, we can equate it to 2.03 also raised to 5, and from here we can get the value of x, so that 2 plus x is 2.03, therefore x is 2.03 minus 2, and that means the value of x is 0.03. So the next thing is to substitute the value of x in our expansion, so that finally we'll have 2.03 raised to power 5 equivalent to 32 plus 80 into 0.03, because x is 0.03, plus 80 into 0.03 squared plus 40 into 0.03 cubed. So when this is worked out, we are going to have 34.47. So finally, we have approximated 2.03 using our previous expansion. Otherwise, thanks for your patience till this time. Thank you for watching and see you next time.